guys, it's Wacky Jackie.
So today we're gonna give you 3 tips to beat the heat this summer.
2018.
So Jackie will give us tip number 1.
Okay, for tip number 1, instead of going to your own house, turning on your aircon, might as well come to the mall. Free pang aircon.
Of course, kaysa magkaskas mong kuryente, ali na lang sa mall. Kay
Pero naman may
Number 2, have some cold drink. One good example are the very nice tea drink at Macau Imperial Tea because it's cold, refreshing, and definitely thirst quenching. Tip number 3. What's tip number 3 now?
Okay, tip number 3, if cold drink is not too cold and it's not, you know,
enough. Kuha, bitin pa ka.
bitin pa dyan.
So, sa may nindot?
Okay, best solution is ice cream. So
Yeah.
where are we gonna get our ice cream?
Uy, yes, this one. May bagong nag-abali dito sa SM. Seaside, it's called Sheldon Artisan Gelato. And today, among tilawan ang ilang mga flavors.
Naghan pa dyan flavors, guys.
Let's go, Jack. Order na Jack.
Okay,
Want large, right?
oh, nindot, no? They have matcha, they have...
They have 3 flavors.
Mag-matcha na lang ko, mag-dark.
So one good thing about here is you could actually have as much as 3 flavors in one cone. Yeah, so the large is 180, the medium is 120, and the small is
90 pesos.
And Jackie, what are you getting? Are you getting the large?
Yeah, I'm getting the large. I'm getting Wacky Jackie's getting the large.
So they have
So they have different flavors, guys. You got the Baguio strawberry, that looks good. I also got the dark Belgian chocolate, which is super the classic, and the ceremonial matcha, which is Japanese. But then why not, right? So there's a lot of flavors here. You should try.
So the flavors are from around the world. They have even local flavors like Baguio strawberry, they have royal
And
durian.
Madagascar
Of course,
vanilla.
when in Cebu, nasli mangoes, and of course they have
Malunggay.
Madagascar, yeah, malunggay even.
May malunggay.
And also, of course, from Belgium, there's the dark Belgian chocolate. They have coffee as well as Japan matcha. So, yeah, you have a lot of choices here.
Try
And
durian, guys.
now we're gonna taste if it's good.
Creamy. So the difference about the gelato and the ice cream is more of ice cream, but gelatos are made out of milk, and I can say this is really gelato because it's so milky. It's good. It's not so sweet. It's not blunt. It's perfect. Come to shop.
I'm getting the My Pinoy cone. I have this malunggay with Baguio strawberries and local mango.
Wow, food court. Hey guys, so it's Wacky Jackie and I am currently here in Sheldon's. Who am I with? I'm with Sheldon himself. So Sheldon, what's your best sellers here? Best combinations, and what do you think of your creations?
The best starter, as you can see here, what we have. These are my best 12, but if you were to ask me for my favorite, it would be the pistachio, the dark Belgian chocolate, and of course the sea salt caramel. But since being a durian lover and I'm from Singapore, the royal durian is of course my ultimate favorite because that's my favorite fruit.
Okay, so where else can we buy Sheldon's artisan gelato?
Well, we are retailing in Rustans, Shopwise and Welcome. So you can get them in pints and in 100 ml, which is the dainty cup. So check us out in Rustans as well, and here in Seaside, SM, and soon nationwide. Yeah.
So guys, we just gave you 3 good tips on how to beat the heat this summer.
If you have any other comments or any other suggestions out there, please comment down below on Kalami Cebu's comment box. And do not forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share my channel, Wacky Jackie. He's gonna leave that in the description box down below. And Kalami Cebu right here.
Best suggestions, we're gonna do it, so the wilder it is, the better. So, thank you for watching, and I hope you follow our next adventures.
Bye.